Good evening, everybody. I'm André Faria, and today I'll talk about Management 3.0. When I first started speaking at conferences, I used to be very nervous about speaking. Didn't sleep well the night before, and then it started to become easier and easier and easier and easier. And now I'm speaking in English, so I'm nervous again. I think I'm kind of addicted to being nervous all the time. So I'm learning English, so please bear with me. I'm probably going to commit some mistakes during the presentation. Management 3.0, it always started with this guy. It's a Dutch guy. His name is Jurgen Appelo, and he wrote this book, Management 3.0. And he's very famous because of his blog, noop.nl. He talks about Agile software development and management, and he felt that something was missing in the management field. So we were already using Agile practices in software development, but then the management was kind of unaligned with the same practice that we were using in software development. So he wrote this book, kind of bringing some new ideas to management. Management 3.0 has 6 different views, and each one of its views has an eye. This is the monster Martie. So I'll talk a little bit about each one of these concerns. When we started in computer programming, we had no restrictions, we had no constraints. So we were kind of in chaos. We didn't have rules. So we started to looking at how other people, other fields organize themselves. And then we kind of copied everything from the engineering guys, civil engineering, construction. And then we arrived at a lot of bureaucracy, order. So we came from one extreme to the other. The Agile development is kind of in the middle of the order and the chaos, which we call complexity. Management 3.0 tries to bring us to the same point, to complexity, in management. So the first view is energize people. So we need people to be motivated, to be engaged, to do what they love, to do what they like to do. People are the most important parts of a organization. And the principal idea here in Management 3.0 is that every single person is different and has different needs, different ways to be motivated. So managers should look at each person as a single person, unique person, and try to understand how he can motivate that person considering his or her needs. The second vision is about empowered teams. So people should have autonomy to do what they do best, to do what they need to do. So first, when we look at Ford, at Taylor, we used to have pyramidal organization. So people at the top used to make all the decisions, and people at the bottom just follow the decisions. And now that we have all these knowledge workers, everybody must make a lot of decisions every day. So people need to be authorized, people need to be empowered by management. That's what the second vision is about. The third one is about aligning constraints, is about goals. So if we are already motivated and we have the power to do what we need to do, now we need to know what we should do. So everybody can go to the same direction. So that's why it's important for everybody to know the company goals and mission and have a shared vision about what we are doing as a team. Then we need to develop competence. So if we have a mission, if we have a goal, we need to be competent enough so we can achieve that goal. we need to understand how we can organize ourselves in different teams so we can communicate and we can achieve our goals together. We can use, for example, functional teams, cross-functional teams. And we should improve everything. We should be always thinking about how we can do things better. So that's the last vision. And this is the monster again. So we need to be motivated. We need to have power to do what we do best. We need to know what we want to achieve. Then we need to be competent to achieve our goals. We need to organize ourselves in teams. And we need to be always seeking to improve what we are doing. Thank you very much.